Let me teach you how to do this. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is first work on your flexibility. Because most of it is a little bit of balance and flexibility. Combining it together, you can do it. And some muscle stabilization. But essentially, first thing you want to get down is this little exercise. So first, see if you can put your leg like this. So if you can do that, you got step one. Work your way up to here, just alternate legs. Also a great stretch, and that's the next step where now you're going to bring it down. This also opens up the hips and stretches the hip flexors. It's one of the best things you can do during a run or anything else. Let me show you from another view. So basically here, once you get this step, the next step you go down. And you can also use a tree to kind of work your way down if you want to. But essentially you're doing this. You just alternate. So that's step number one. Step number two, you're going to bring your leg up a little higher. So you grab it underneath. You can grab it this way, but it's more comfortable here. And basically what you're doing is this. You bring it up closer here. If you're not here and you're kind of doing the same thing, now what you're going to do is bring your leg downwards. So essentially you're going to do this exercise. Like that. And then as you're doing that, each time you're trying to bring it up and keep doing it. Up and down. Then once you reach your top, let's say right here you can't go anymore. That's a good indication. You don't have to go really much higher than that. Next, you grab your hand like this. You can hold on to the tree. And then you're gonna push your leg out straight like that. See? Get a nice stretch. Now another exercise you should do is to work a little bit on the hamstring flexibility. So even stretches like this will definitely help. But if you place it against something like a wall, or even like this, you just bring it in. So it's definitely going to help. But essentially, since you're here, you're basically doing this. Once you get that, each time, you're going to go higher and higher. So do that, you're going to go off an ankle. Doing that, a little higher, now you're going to tilt this way. So if your hips, you're kind of doing this. So when you put it all together, it looks like this. See? The hips, now you're just doing that full stretch. It's like doing a split, but standing up. But see, now what happens is, you fall. That's where you're gonna need a bit of stabilization. So once you get that, you can do this. There you go. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys. Try those out, and I'll see you next time.